Gde ste bre lepotani I lepotanke? Lepo is because they're tanke. You get it? No, but I like fat people too. I do, especially if they come to my show. Today we're going to be going over some of my favorite Serbian movies. Filmove! Number 5, Tesna koža. The tight skin. A story about a modest man being rammed in the ass by the system. Something every Serbian relates to by default. Oliver Nedeljković. Taj ne sme da prođe.
Što ne sme da prođe?
Ponudio mi mito. Di baš fasta nađe. Zamislite, Šoljiću.
Zamišljam.
4. Tito i ja. A story about a fat kid and pointless hiking.
Ta su Bucko tvoji roditelji.
Umetnici.
Umetnici, šta ima?
Shakespeare! I know Czar. We're in a movie together. Blag. Number 3. Ne znam ima filma, ali Bolidža ima najjaču repliku. Imate jebem, 1-2 sata, u cugu. Broj 2. Potron, smok. Do you speak English?
Yes.
Speaking Sie Deutsch?
Ja?
Šta vredi kad ja ne znam? And the number 1. I don't know, I gotta think about that one. But I'll let you know in a separate video. Or I might do an entire reenactment. So leave in the comments below what you think the number 1 movie should be. Is it a Serbian film? Ko to tamo peva? Balkanski špijun? Mi nismo anđeli. Tekula se ponovo ženi. Dom za vešanje. Sečer sisa doli bel. I to ti to. Vidimo se. Ooh, Belgrade. January 9th, friends. If you have tickets, congratulations. If you don't, we're gonna try to add a second show. Then, event below.